Hi, this is Prem Tamang, interfacing lab number 7. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can use a button in PIC P40 board to control the LED light illumination using a PWM waveform. Here we have the basic setup for the program, where the initially button press count is set to 0 and the output is set to the channel C. And when program comes in this switch case statement, we will check the button press count. If the button press count is 0 or other than the 1 2 3 4 5, it will come to here and set everything to 0. If the user press the button for the first time, button press count becomes 1, and we come in this block of code, and here we will set the CPRL the value to 41 and the LED illumination percentage to 25%, which is 1C. And when the button is pressed for the second time, we will uh, assign the CPRL value to 82 and the control value to C, which is 50%. And when button is pressed for the third time, we set the CPRL value to 123 and the control value to 3C. And when button is pressed for the fourth time, we will set the CCPRL PR1 value to 165 and we set the control value to 100%, which is 0C. When we press the button for 15, we will set the CCPR1 value to 0 and the button press will be set to 0 as well. We have defined the function where we can set the CCPR1 value and the CCP1 control value here. So we will receive each function will be called from the main function, and the function will assign the value and execute the operations. So for the demonstration purpose, I have a steady camera here and a board setup here. So I'll just build my program, load the program into the my board, and run the program. So for the first time, I will just click once, so the light looks a little bit dimmer, and its illumination percentage is set to only the 25%. When I click for the second time, so its brightness becomes more lighter, and when I press for the third time, even the LED bulb becomes more brighter and the illumination percentage is set to the 75%. When I press the button for the fourth time, the light looks more brighter and the illumination percentage of LED is set to 100%. And now when I press the button for the fifth time, yeah, the light turns off and it works. This is for today. Thank you.